Hi guys, welcome to this new video. I have started solving CBSE board exam question papers of year 2025. Subject is mathematics. The series of this question is F6EGH. Set 3 question paper. Code is 430/6/3. I have downloaded this paper from CBSE official website, and even you can download it from there. I have started questions of section A, and this is the question number 11. So the question number 11 says that the point 3 minus 5 lies on the 3 comma minus 5 lies on the line equation lies on the line mx minus y equals to 11. This is the equation of the line, and we have to find the value of m. So the right answer is 2. How I have derived it, I explain it here. So if mx minus y equals to 11 is the equation of the line, and 3 minus 5 lies on this line, then definitely 3 comma minus 5, this should satisfy this equation. Or when we put the values of 3 comma minus 5 with the right value of m, so the LHS will be equals to RHS. Okay, since if suppose m value would have been given, and we have to check whether 3 comma minus 5 is lying on that line or not, simply we have to put the values of x and y. If LHS is equals to RHS, that means this point lies on this line. But we have been already provided with this information that 3 comma minus 5 lies on this line, so it is easy for us, it is understandable. When we put 3 comma minus 5 on this particular equation, we'll get LHS equals to RHS. Simply putting 3 in place of x minus 5 in place of y, we'll get the final answer equals to 2. Okay, just for your information, I am adding extra thing. If it is given that this particular point is lying on that line, that means that particular point satisfies the equation of that line. If we discuss coordinate geometry in future, I'll surely explain you that in coordinate geometry, the points or the coordinates which are there and the line passes through that coordinate, then those coordinates only help you to derive the equation of the line which is present here. Okay, thank you.